Hey, it's Gigi here, and today I'm reviewing this cute, adorable wired keyboard. I found it to be a charming blend of style and functionality. With its cayenne keyboard base and white keycaps, this isn't just a keyboard, it's a statement piece that brightens up any workspace. As for the setup, it's very simple. The plug and play functionality made it easy to get started, and its wide capability means that it can be used with Windows, Mac, laptops, desktops, and more. The keycap design ensures quiet typing. I love it. Perfect for those of us who prefer a serene, quiet environment and not hearing the tap, tap, tap. My fingers glide easily over the molded keycaps, which have a light matte surface that's gentle on the fingertips. It also houses a handy multimedia knob, making quick adjustments to my music or my videos is a breeze. The built-in mobile phone slot is a thoughtful addition that allows me to keep my phone in sight while I work. One thing that I did not expect is its splash-proof design. The panel comes equipped with a waterproof conductive film and suspended keycaps which allow for water to easily flow out from the side, just in case of those unfortunate spills. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time.